Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the other day when I showed you this stash ad bid that had this 71 CUDA on it, I said I didn't have any 71s in my stash. And then I got to thinking about that and I was like, sure I do. Let me show you. I've got this one and it's the only Johan kit that I have. Now, a while back, Lucas C did a unboxing of one of these to show what was inside and everything, and I followed along with him because this kit was given to me by a friend, and it was started, it's painted, and things are off the trees, but as far as I can tell, everything is there. The only thing I don't have for it is the instructions. Most times I don't need the instructions, but, you know, we'll have to see when I get to this. So let's take a look at what's inside here. So we had the body. It's in pretty good shape, other than the fact that it's got a poor quality paint job on it. Chassis is here. All the suspension pieces seem to be here. Chrome tree, and chrome looks pretty good on everything. The wheels look great. Got a little flash on the valve cover here. I believe the other valve cover's in the box. At least I hope it is. The engine, intake, and all its parts. The roll cage. Some flash to work on, but not a big deal. You get kind of accustomed to it. Let's look at the glass. Not too bad. A couple scuffs on the back window. Could use a little cleaning up, but otherwise it's not bad. Oh, gotta love the two-piece tires, right? I really don't, but it is what it is. They're in there and they're still on the tree. There's the hood. I wish I knew what paint he used on this so I know how to go stripping it. Oil pan. Here's that other valve cover. Other body pieces. Yeah, so wheel backs. I see the wheel backs. They're all there. Firewall. Seats, and even the decals, and they don't even look that bad, to be honest. Not that I would use them, but you know, it was the video that Lucas C did was pretty interesting. He went back on some of the history about this kit and how this is the same as the Sox and Martin kit and several other kits. So, you know, and I know they're out there. I just saw one on Marketplace. It's a little too rich for my blood. 75 bucks for the kit plus the shipping. So these are out there and I see them at shows sometimes. I saw them at the Detroit show. I think that guy wanted like 50 or 55 bucks for it. And most of his Johan kits were going for 45 bucks and up. So they're out there if you want one. And we'll see. You know, I'll probably build this eventually. Obviously, I've got to strip it, clean paint off, and then I got to find a suitable color for it, and I will do it. But, you know, everybody, excuse me, guys, interior tub. Everybody seeks out the Johan kits, and I've never really had any. I've never really built any. I've seen plenty. And there's some that I'd surely like to get my hands on if I could ever find them at the right price. But this is the only one I've gotten in my entire life. Good thing it's a 71 CUDA, huh? Well, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching.